Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Hogsmeade Village is probably one of the most enchanting LEGO sets ever created, transporting you directly into the wizarding world. Today, we're diving deep into this magical set, exploring every cobblestone, snow-covered roof, and whimsical detail. Get ready to discover why this set is a must-have for any Harry Potter fan, as we uncover its secrets and decide if it's the perfect addition to your collection. Let's step into Hogsmeade. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. This is a LEGO brick-built version of the famous Central Perk Cafe. It's packed with authentic details to inspire hilarious memories from the classic Friends TV show. You can show it off to your own friends. The set includes minifigures of Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther. Each character comes with cool accessories, perfect for role-playing memorable scenes from the show. This collectible 1070-piece LEGO toy is a great gift for Friends fans. It offers a rewarding building experience for adults aged 16 and up. You can build it solo or share the fun with friends and family. This LEGO Ideas Central Perk set is compatible with other LEGO construction toys. You can create your own mashup models and unique stories by combining it with what you already own. The set measures over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep. It will make a big impression when displayed in any room or office. It's a great conversation starter. What we like? This set perfectly recreates the iconic Central Perk Cafe, allowing you to relive your favorite Friends moments. It includes detailed minifigures of the main characters, making it perfect for display or play. If you're a fan of the show and love collecting memorabilia, this set is a must-have. What people say? The detail was perfect. The directions were easy to follow and everything fit together so well. The attention to detail is incredible. From the orange couch to the stage lights, everything screams Central Perk. Number 4. LEGO Star Wars The Razor Crest 75292. Get ready to explore the galaxy with this detailed LEGO model. It's the Razor Crest, the starship from the Mandalorian series. This set brings the adventures to life. This set includes 4 LEGO Star Wars minifigures, the Mandalorian, Greef Karga, and a Scout Trooper. Plus, it features the child, also known as Baby Yoda, and an IG-11 droid figure. They're all ready for action. The Razor Crest has a dual minifigure cockpit and 2 spring-loaded shooters. The cargo hold has opening side boarding ramps. Inside, you'll find carbonite bounty elements and a sleeping area. Relive battles with the included weapons. The Mandalorian and the child can fight against the Scout Trooper and other enemies. This set is perfect for recreating exciting scenes. This LEGO Star Wars set makes a great gift. It's perfect for Star Wars fans, boys, and girls aged 10 and up. Give the gift of adventure today. What we like? This set features the Razor Crest starship, offering a detailed and engaging build. It includes the beloved Baby Yoda, making it a great addition to any Star Wars collection. If you're looking for a gift for a Star Wars fan, this set is sure to impress. What people say? The set was divided up into bags numbered 1 through 6. My fiancé and I divided the build duties between the two of us, taking turns building the different sections. The build is ingenious, the cockpit and the engines being particularly well done and exciting to consider in building and viewing. The set comes with some wonderfully realized minifigs to carry out your own Star Wars stories with. The ship itself is very sturdy and very detailed for its size. It's like a mini UCS set, making it a great display for adults. It's also still awesome as a toy. The spring-loaded shooters work and are discreetly located. The interior is very functional with space for Mando to sleep, a roomy 2-seat cockpit, storage for 3 extra missiles, a little play space, 2 slots for the captured bounties, 2 stickered carbonite pieces included, plus an area to store extra weapons behind the cockpit. Number 3. LEGO Creator Expert Bookshop 10270 Modular Building. This advanced LEGO set is packed with surprising details. It's designed for teenagers and adults who enjoy building and displaying with pride. The 3-story set features a display window, bookshelves, and reading nooks. It also includes living spaces in the townhouse, and 5 minifigures to bring it to life. This set is part of the Modular Building series. It combines with other models to create amazing street scenes that builders and collectors love to own. With 2,504 pieces, it makes an inspirational gift. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. The buildable model measures over 11 inches high, 9 inches wide, and 9 inches deep. It makes an impressive display piece on its own or as part of a larger street scene. What we like. This set is part of the Modular building series, allowing you to create a detailed street scene. It features a bookshop and townhouse with intricate details, perfect for display. If you enjoy building and collecting detailed models, this set will be a great addition to your collection. What people say. The set is very detailed and has a lot of fun features. The buildings are well designed and look great. The set includes several minifigures, including Harry Potter, Ron Weasley, and Hermione Granger. Number 2. LEGO Adidas Original Superstar 10282 Building Kit. Introducing the LEGO Adidas Original Superstar 10282. This set allows you to build and display one of the world's most recognizable sneakers. It's a fun and unique project for any LEGO or Adidas fan. The model is packed with authentic details. You'll find the famous shell toe, the 3 serrated stripes, and the Adidas logo. It's a realistic tribute to the original. The set comes with shoelaces and an authentic shoebox-style packaging. This adds to the overall experience of building and displaying this iconic sneaker. It's a great collector's item. Looking for a gift for an Adidas fan? This model kit is perfect. It's also great for adult LEGO builders who want a unique and challenging project. They will love it. The finished model measures over 4.5 inches high, 10.5 inches long, and 3.5 inches wide. It's a great size for display. You can showcase it anywhere. What we like. This set lets you build and display the iconic Adidas Superstar sneaker. It's packed with authentic details, making it a unique display piece. If you're a fan of streetwear or looking for a unique LEGO project, this model is perfect for you. What people say. Build was fun to build as well. Model comes in a real shoebox and wrapped in paper mache like the real thing. It makes a great display when assembled and set up with the actual Adidas box. Number 1. LEGO Harry Potter Hogsmeade Village Visit 76388. This LEGO set brings the enchanting Hogsmeade Village to life. It's packed with authentic details and accessories, perfect for sparking imagination. The set features a 2-floor modular house with the iconic Honeyduke Sweet Shop and the 3 Broomsticks pub. Kids can recreate their favorite scenes from the movies. The snow-covered village is filled with details, furniture, and accessories. There are even smaller builds like a street light and a bench with snow. The set includes minifigures of Harry Potter characters like Dean Thomas, Professor McGonagall, and Madame Rosmerta. They are ready for magical roleplay fun. This set includes an exclusive, 20th anniversary golden Ron Weasley minifigure. It also comes with wizard card tiles for kids to collect. This Harry Potter building toy is part of a series of detailed modular sets. It's a great gift for kids aged 8 and up, offering hours of creative fun. What we like. This set brings the magical Hogsmeade Village to life with its modular design. It includes iconic locations like Honeydukes and the 3 Broomsticks, and a special anniversary minifigure. If you're a Harry Potter fan looking to expand your collection, this set is a perfect choice. What people say. LEGO is such great quality and has exquisite details. The attention to detail is spellbinding, from the snow-covered rooftops to the intricate interiors of Honeydukes and the 3 Broomsticks. The build is great, bigger than what I expected from other houses. The back is not as short as other LEGO houses. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.